Welcome to Tonata presentation. Thank you very much for your time. My name is Direnga Erastus. I'm the Communication Officer of Tonata, based in Ongotiva. This presentation serves to inform you of the existence and purpose of the Tonata support group database and the map. Further details and information are available on our website, www.tonata.org. The support group map is relatively new, and Tonata is very keen to get the feedback and support to explore how this innovative and engaging tool could be further developed. Tonata has developed this interactive web-based the public and also partners to interact with data generated by support groups which Tonata collects. The data that is presented is uniquely sourced from support groups. The resultant tools enables support groups to be viewed on the map, displays, and also data regarding the groups, and visually demonstrates the links with health facilities. What you have to do, you have to go to www.tonata.org, you go to groups, and you go to the map. If you when you zoom in, this is the interface. This is how our map looks like. It shows you that we have a lot of support groups in our map. But each pin represents one support groups, and in each pin, as you can see, there's a letter. This letter represents the first name, the first letter of the name of the support groups, and these are health centers. All the health facilities are at the back end of our database. It only shows in the map once it is identified by the support group. When the support group says it uses that health facilities, then that's when it will come, or it will show on our front end. For instance, if I click on this hospital here, it shows me that this is a Hono clinic, and these are number of support groups accessing this clinic. These are the support groups who have told Tonata that we are using a Hono clinic, and the total number of support groups are 6. Total members from these 6 support groups are 245. Children are 12, and total members from these support groups who are refilling or getting ARVs from a Hono clinic are at 78%. If you want to know the activities that these support groups does, you can click here. These are the name of the support groups. These are the activities that the support groups does. So if you click on income generating project, you click. Now it says this group is engaged with income generation activities such as chicken farming and craft. You already know that these support groups has chicken farming. These support groups, it's at level 2. Now one maybe is wondering what does it mean, level 2? You click on level. If you click on level 2, then it will tell you that the support groups has some of the components of the constitution written. The support groups has some members who act as leaders, with other rotating to act as secretary. The support group member communicate most of the time when issues arise. The support groups has a leader who lead by example. Members gives their ideas sometimes, and there is no a strong trust between the leader and the members. That's why it is at level 2. I do not want to use this map. You can go to groups, you can go to list. This is the list of all support groups in the database, in Tonata's database. And this is the same data presented in a way that might be easier to navigate for analysis. You can filter. If you want to see all the support groups that are using or that are accessing services from Oshakati, if I click on Oshakati, now all these support groups are accessing their health services from this hospital, Oshakati. Because if you click Dr. Aupa Indongo support groups, the same information that we have seen on the map are the same information we have here. Total children are 36, total number of people on ART 15, males 2, and so and so. This is their contact details, total number 21. This is their facilities, this is the area, they are in Shagati East. That is now the constituency, the region is Noshana. So by clicking the icon next to facilities, it will take you to the map, but this time the map shows the facilities and the support groups also that identify themselves with it. So if the icon that we are talking about is this one, this icon is the location. If I click here, it automatically will take me to the map. See, it shows me that the number of support groups who are accessing or are getting services from Oshakati district hospitals are 39. Total members are 1,259. So this is just the same information, and this is the same information, and like I said, this website. Like I said, this website is very accessible. Anyone can access it wherever you are in the world, and it was designed just to profile our support groups, for them to be known, for them to be seen, and for them to be engaged by our partners, by our business people, by all the stakeholders. They can easily access and contact our support groups. Can we access the support groups map without internet? Those are some of the questions that we get from our partners. At the moment, no, but it can be possible if we have enough resources to develop an app, an application that can be installed in smartphones that will allow people to access the map with no need to use internet. The offline option of them at the moment is to use the print button. Like I was showing you, if I click here, Shakati District Hospital, and I click on related groups, so it will show me that all these support groups and their numbers and their locations, their kilometers, the distance from the support groups and the hospital. So for now, you can only print, and so you can use the print button to be able to give the information to front line and also field staff. Thank you very much for your time. We are available for further presentation. On your request, we can come to your office or wherever you are just to give you some trainings, especially the health workers. We are urging the health workers if they want to make use of this. We are also urging the health workers to contact Tonata for us to train them how to use this online database for them to know our support groups that surround their health facilities.